Hi there and welcome back to Gray's Gardening. Hi there and welcome back to Gray's Gardening. As you can see, nice foggy day. It's the day after Boxing Day, so I've nipped down to the plot and I've got a bit of time on my hands, so I thought I'd bring you the video you've probably all been waiting for. That's the bloopers, the outtakes, the funny moments that I can't always show on the channel, but I hope you enjoy them. If you do, please put that thumbs up. It really does help the channel. Where are we? There. And if you like this kind of thing and want to see some more videos like this, but also some educational videos, so what my channel is actually all about is gardening and allotment, then please consider subscribing also. But the moment you've all been waiting for, let's jump straight in and enjoy my misfortune. Hope you enjoy. I couldn't get down last weekend due to Storm Dara, which hit the... I couldn't get down last weekend due to Storm Dara.
Ever wanted to open a can of Coke with your gardening gloves on without taking them off?
Here I'm just using old leftover cardboard to stack up on the raised beds to put them to sleep over the winter, and it really just helps to suppress the weeds and the real trick to this is making sure that the very center, your figs, the second crop, the ones that are small and red, small. Hi there and welcome back to Gray's Gardening. My name is Gray and this is my gardening and allotment channel. So today, I think that's enough laughing at my misfortune now. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember, I think that's enough laughing at my I can't speak. Okay, I think that's enough laughing at my misfortune. If you did enjoy it, please remember, put that thumbs up button. Okay, I think that's enough laughing at my misfortune. If you did enjoy it, please remember to put that thumbs up button, hit that thumbs up button, hit that like button. Oh. Okay, I think that's enough laughing at my misfortune. If you did enjoy it, please remember to hit that like button, smash that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel just to help me get up there. I'm nearly there, nearly at the 1,000, the big 1,000, which is what we all aim for. So please consider subscribing. Hope you've enjoyed it, and I just want to wish you all a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. See you soon. Bye now.